Hello and welcome back to My Leaves. I really hope you're doing great today. My name is Sam and we're going to be doing an unboxing together. A company called Wiekurt reached out to me and asked if I would be willing to test out some of their oil diffusers, and I said yes. So let's get right down to it and open these bad boys up. Okay, so there are 3 in here. It says that it changes LED colors. I don't know what that's about, but that sounds cool. The main reason I'm actually so interested in these is because not only do I like just essential oils and aromatherapy, it just smells good, I like it, but these can also be used as little spot humidifiers in certain areas for certain plants. So if you have a plant that really needs a lot of humidity, you could sort of put it right next to that plant and it will create a little microclimate for it to keep it really happy. So that's why I'm so interested in these. So it looks like they sent me 3 different models here, so let's open them up and see what they look like. So this is what the packages look like. So far I'm really excited to open this because I'm a sucker for wood and things that look like wood. So I think these will look really cute and really nice. So let's open them up. Let's just pick one here. Let's open up this first one. So this one is supposed to be a darker colored one. Ooh. Okay. The top part. Here's the bottom piece here. That is pretty cute, actually, I have to say. I really like the look of this. It's very pretty, very natural looking. I really like that. And these ones, they are USB, so you can either put them into any USB port that you have, or you can use an adapter with them. Not sure what that's for, but maybe that's important too. Let's open up the next one. Okay, this one looks like the white sort of colored wood. Ooh, that is really pretty. So they are made of plastic, they're not made of real wood, of course, because you wouldn't want that in a high humidity situation, but they certainly give that nice natural look, and I kind of really like the shape of them too. It's very pretty, it's very feminine. I think that's kind of gonna go anywhere in my home. Rather than having like an ugly oil diffuser that's gonna do the trick, I like to have something pretty. All right, last one. So this is kind of awesome for me because they've clearly given me one of every color, which I'm loving. Ooh, I really like this natural bamboo sort of color. That is really cute. They're really cute. Now all we have to do is set them up and test them out. So they come with all of these cotton sticks, 1 per diffuser, and you're supposed to put some water in and then let the cotton absorb. That looks good. The instructions say you're supposed to let it fully absorb and let it sink, so it looks like it's done that, so we'll do that to all the other ones. So with these, you twist them to lock them. So that one should be good to go. I want to see if it leaks. Okay, good, no leaking, that's good. Okay, so I've just got some adapters on the ends here so that I can plug them into anything, and we're just gonna hook them up. So they've just got the little port at the back here, and we'll plug it right in. Oh, look at, wait, there we go. Oh, it's working. Oh, look at that, I love it. It does have those changing LED lights at the bottom, which I kind of thought might be garish, but they're cool. All right, let's set one up. I'm really loving the way that that looks. Now it's definitely not going to do the trick for this big palm, but it would be perfect for some smaller plants or a cluster of little plants. I get it. Okay, so you can actually turn off the lights if you don't want that feature. You just have to press the button twice and then the lights will go off. And then to turn it totally off, just press it again. And then if we hit it one more time, it's back on. Look how cute that is. And I do really like the lights. I really do like them. I like the natural look of it, and I think it just looks good pretty much everywhere. Okay, let's set another one up. Oh, look at it go. I think this is gonna be really perfect for my alocasia. So far, just unboxing them and setting them up, I really do like them. I like the way that they look. I like their color changing light feature, even though I kind of thought I wouldn't like that. It's actually really cute and I think it'll look really great at night. I would probably use these for spot humidities around prayer plants or other moisture loving plants, and you can basically create a small little microclimate for them that they will absolutely love. And I'm kind of obsessed with this touch feature. It's really fun. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, doing the unboxing with me, and checking out these cool new products. My name is Sam, this is Mind the Leaves, and as always, don't forget to take care of your plants and yourself.